can skim. I feel the quantum fire begin. Fractured thoughts and coded scars, forged in the dust of dying stars. The core ignites, I fall inside, where shadows burn and worlds collide. The heat consumes the shape I've been. I melt, I break, I start again. In the quantum furnace, I'm reborn in flame. Torn apart and scattered, then rebuilt again. Through the cosmic fire, through the void within. I dissolve, evolve, let the burning begin. Molten thoughts stripped down